Hi, and thank you for your purchase. I'm going to show you how you can get access to your Notion Consultant OS and how to install it. Hey, thank you for your purchase. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Consultant OS and how to duplicate it to your personal Notion account. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here on this link to the template. It's going to open it up for you. And this is going to take you to the Notion template. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here and you're going to duplicate it. And if you're not already logged into Notion, you're going to get prompted to log in. It's going to ask you, where do you want to put this template? So I'm going to select right here and I'm just going to add it to private. And what you'll see is, now if I go to private here, the dashboard is now here. And if I extend it, you'll see all the pages that are included along with the databases that come along with it. So I encourage you to walk through this Consultant OS. Your Consultant Home is going to be your starting point for everything. There's a start here that will walk you through how to use this Consultant OS. And then there's also an admin panel where you'll be able to see business references, templates, any kind of maintenance and housekeeping for this system. But your home is going to be your landing spot every day. There are several different, you can call these blocks, that you'll use every day and you'll update these. And here you'll have some live dashboards where you'll be able to see the current status. I have some mock data in here that you'll be able to remove, but this just gives you some placeholders. There's also the active clients, there's the projects, there's the pipelines, there's the strategic core also. Each of these is a page. Some of them are just blank pages, and meaning they don't have databases, and some are actually actual databases like our clients hub here. And this is an actual mini CRM that you can use to keep track of your clients. As you are onboarding clients, they're going inactive, you'll be able to sort them. You'll be able to sort the different views. You'll be able to mark clients as I said, as active, inactive, or other pending status. There's a knowledge vault, and this is where you can add information that will help you with your business. I will be adding some documents in here for you. This is just a placeholder, but when you get this, this will be filled out, and I'll have a few more documents in here for you that you can use for your business immediately. So I just want to thank you again for your purchase, and I wish you the best of luck.